And John, a testing site in Mecca has opened up just this afternoon where no appointment was required and was free of charge. News Channel 3's Shelby Nelson spoke with some farm workers earlier today about the new resource for underserved communities in the East Valley.
Another day for farm workers out in the field. Temperatures reaching up to 98 degrees as many picked produce.
There's a lot of sun. In the winter, it's really cold. We work in the rain. It doesn't matter what the weather is like. We need to get the product out.
Farm workers are essential despite some people working from home nowadays. Many of these workers are out in the field working under the blistering sun.
This is a moment where we can all reflect on how important farm workers are, not only for our communities here locally, but our nation.
The community now receiving one vital resource, a free testing center, no appointment needed. The Coachella Valley Volunteers in Medicine received an anonymous donation, 200 tests designated for the East Valley.
I think it's necessary for everyone. I think it's a good idea to make sure this community where we live is safe.
Hemet Valley Medical Center and student volunteers from various nursing and medical schools helped carry out the testing site. Residents were screened and then swabbed in the mouth.
We have heard that there are cases of COVID-19 in the farm worker community.
Rosa Lucas is a family nurse practitioner and founding member of Coachella Valley Volunteers in Medicine.
The East Valley, especially the Far East Valley like this, is so ignored, but it is a part of our community.
She and Congressman Dr. Raul Ruiz have worked together for years, both now coming together once again to bring testing to a vulnerable population.
The East Valley and other communities that suffer poverty are more vulnerable because they have health disparities. Now you put a pandemic on top of that with needing to go to work with conditions that may not be suitable for social distancing, then you're having a tinderbox for potential not only increase in rapid rates, but also increase in severe illnesses and death.
Shelby Nelson, News Channel 3.
And volunteers will be back out there on Friday for another round of testing or until all 200 tests are used. And another new coronavirus testing site, this one opening up in Coachella. This test site will be located at 85365 Dillon Road, just west of Highway 86 on 29 Palms Band of Mission Indians tribal land. Testing begins Friday from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. by appointment only. Testing at this site will only be available on Fridays and Saturdays. To schedule an appointment, call the number on the screen, 833-624-1097.
The CEO of the Greater Coachella Valley Chamber of Commerce